Welcome, in front of me is a RUGGEAR RG655, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, let's pull down our notification panel and find the Do Not Disturb mode toggle, which for me is right over here. So once you find it, all you need to do is hold it, and this will take you to the settings where you can customize how it functions. So I'm just going to briefly go over those settings, not really going too in-depth over them, but we have behavior, sound and vibration and notifications, so you can choose what sounds and notifications will be visible or interrupting you during Do Not Disturb mode. Then calls and messages, basically both have the same options, so everybody, no one, contacts and favorites can call you, depending on which one you choose. And then we at the bottom have the schedule, which will allow you to, well, as the name implies, set up a schedule. So at that point, once you set it up, Do Not Disturb mode will turn on and off automatically based on the provided time and well, day of the week. So once you have set it all up, you can leave it, and from here, if you have set it up as a schedule, you don't really need to do anything apart from enabling the schedule. But if you want to enable it manually, all you need to do is simply tap on a toggle and voila, it's right now on. That's really all it takes. And once you're done with it, you can tap on it again to turn it off. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.